Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an ad tag timeline action using Omnisend. To start, log into your AEvent account. Once you are on this page, click on Campaigns on the left-hand side menu. To open the campaign you want to create the timeline action for, just click on it. Once the campaign is loaded, just click on Timeline here on the left-hand side. This is where you'll see all the timeline actions you created for the campaign. Let's click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. So I have this currently set on event day. And let's say I want to apply this tag 2 hours after the event has started. And I'll be targeting my attendees. Then let's select the integration from here. So let's look for Omnisend. And let's select the action, which is add tag. This is the only timeline action that you can create for Omnisend. And from this field, just click on the drop down and select the tag you want applied to your audience at this time. So for this one, I'll be selecting attendee. Now, if you don't have any tags created yet, you just have to click on this button here that says add tag. You'll be prompted to label it. So for example, follow up, and then you just have to click on the create button. So once that tag is created, click on the drop down and you should be able to see it here from the drop down. Once you are satisfied, just click on create here at the bottom and we will get a pop-up confirmation that the timeline action has been successfully created. There you go. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.